Hello, I'm iamYannC, and you are listening to episode 22 of the Our Weekly Highlights podcast. Today we are covering the highlights for issue 2021-W02, released on January 11th, 2021. This week's issue is curated by one of the newest members of the Our Weekly curation team, Batul Almazaraq, with help from the Our Weekly team members and contributors. In this era of modern computing, a wealth of choices are available to enhance productivity across the development spectrum. In particular, automation of tedious manual processes, no matter in software development or producing analytical results, has become a major focus in the tech sector. Often we hear about the values of continuous integration and continuous deployment, known as CI/CD, for testing R packages once new code has been incorporated in a repository, and services such as Travis CI become one of the top vendors for offering these services for free in the open source project world. But a new option emerged in 2018 when GitHub announced the availability of a new service called GitHub Actions, providing a new way of automating and customizing workflows with roots in container technology and cloud infrastructure. In the R community, we are starting to see packages such as Use This provide easier setup for initializing a workflow with GitHub Actions, alongside some creative use cases. Take our first highlight for today, in which graduate student Amit Levinson shares a clever use of GitHub Actions to automatically deploy an updated visualization of the most frequently used R packages in his analysis of Tidy Tuesday datasets. In his blog, Amit details his thought process and the intricate processing he developed to extract all references to packages in his repository's R scripts with clever application of regular expressions and string manipulation to produce the concise bar chart with ggplot2. With those details done, Amit then expounds on the key settings within the GitHub Actions YAML configuration file and helpful tips for debugging if any problems occur. I know after I read Amit's post that the gears started turning in my head for what I can do to automate some mundane tasks in my workflows, and perhaps Amit's post will inspire you to explore new possibilities as well. The theme of reproducibility has been a staple of many resources shared in each Our Weekly issue. In episode 14 of this podcast, we highlighted the importance of enabling reproducibility of the analytical compute environment, as just having reproducible reporting is not good enough, especially when collaboration is involved. A vital piece to the overall reproducibility puzzle is the renv package authored by Kevin Uche from RStudio for managing package dependencies in a project. The latest updates to land for renv on CRAN contain some excellent new capabilities and refinements, comprising our second highlight today. Major gains in efficiency include not reinstalling packages that are already present and up to date in your library, better stability for reloading within the same R session, plus fixes for parsing R Markdown documents that contain reused chunks, and in addition, new configuration options such as install.verbose allow you to view the full package installation message stream, which is especially handy when a package cannot be installed correctly. I've had this happen just recently when a package was missing a key system dependency in a Docker container based in Linux, and tracking down these errors can be a quite challenging exercise. Speaking from personal experience, renv is a vast improvement over the previous package developed by Kevin called PackRat, and you can hear more about Kevin's motivations and development journey of renv in episode 32 of my R podcast, which is linked in this episode's show notes, as well as a link to my latest live stream for the Shiny Developer Series, where I share my new development infrastructure for R projects that would not be possible without renv managing a robust package environment persistent across containers. The landscape of machine learning, and more recently, deep learning, is rapidly evolving to tackle increasing complexity as well as the latest advancements in back-end infrastructure to generate insights and answers quickly. Many of the recent libraries are released for Python, but our users are not left out in the cold, as the Reticulate package provides the virtual bridge between arguably the two most popular languages within data science. A product of research and deep learning best practices is the Fast AI module backed by the company of the same name, aiming to provide first-class support for deep learning applied to vision, text, audio, tabular, and collaborative filtering models, among others. The R wrapper of the Fast AI has recently been updated on CRAN, bringing into the fold new ways to lock in weights for a neural network layer referred to as freezing a model, and conversely, unlocking or unfreeze the same model to continue model training, as well as support for the ICE Vision object detection framework, which is often used in computer vision analyses. The README for the package contains links to how you can use the package with example Kaggle competition datasets, and it's another example of having choices readily available in this exciting space. And those are your R Weekly highlights for today. You will find another set of great tutorials and showcases of R in real-world analyses, such as predicting injuries for Chicago traffic crashes, how to safely check locally installed package URLs, how you can create an R data package in 7 easy steps, and much more. Congratulations to Batul for a fantastic release. If you have a New Year's resolution of giving back to the R community, our team is always eager to welcome new curators. You can find complete details on our home site at rweekly.org. And if you have others that you think would enjoy listening to this very podcast, we would welcome your retweets or other ways of sharing across the various social media or other platforms. Have a great week, and we will be back with another batch of our weekly highlights next week.